put this on. We'll just take the blade off. And again, doesn't take anything extra. We don't need those big washers now. We have our matching spacer already in. The same exact bolt just goes right back in. That's your mower side. I always finger tighten mine just to keep from cross threading anything and make sure I got a good straight start on them. Use my impact wrench. We're good to go there. And then all we have to do is take our proprietary line and we always want to just clear that the flange. And we cut these 10.5 inches, and our hub has always been 5 inches. So we've got 10.5 inches of line on each side. So you have 21 inches of line plus 5 inches of hub to play with. And we've come to find that that's pretty much universal and will fit everything. You can always have a little bit left to trim off. So that's all it takes is to slide that in just like that. Actually, I'm going to show you a little trick here. So I'm just going to push that there. So you can do that either way. You can either have this come forward just a little bit to pass it, but then sometimes the tails get in the way. So you'll need to nip those off. But if you just put that in and push it right up to the nut, then it's more than solid. All you have to do is just take your nippers, put it right at the flange, snip that off. Now you've got these mats. Now, this one is somewhat different in that most of them have the full hub there. So I have a little trick there that I just take that same one and then I just change it over to this one, and now it matches right. And now I'm not missing that space. Again, you want it to just clear so that it's not hitting there. It doesn't really matter if it does because the line has so much give to it, but you won't have the noise then of the line sliding against it. Right there at the flange. Perfect. You can see again just how easy that goes in, but no chance of it coming back out. Perfect. Get that one past that washer there. And there you go. And that's all it takes.